I hope you will allow me to dedicate this to my female colleagues. We are few, but strong as tigers, really warriors. We arrive at the end all together. And I learn a lot from all of you. You are all leaders in different ways. And what inspired me was to see how important it is to support each other, and that when we support each other, we are really unstoppable.
One of my favorite authors, Kurt Vonnegut, once said, "The universe is a big place, perhaps the biggest. So connections this strong are quite rare, and I think they must be cherished." I sincerely hope, and I ask all of you, that we take an honest effort to maintain this going forward into the future.